Welcome to the top best. The best Chanel No. 5 is probably one of the most iconic fragrances in history, a true testament to timeless elegance. This legendary scent, born from the creative genius of Coco Chanel, has captivated generations with its alluring blend of floral and aldehydic notes. Join me as we delve into the captivating world of Chanel No. 5, exploring its rich history, exquisite composition, and enduring appeal that has made it a symbol of sophistication. Number 5. Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum Spray 3.4 ounce. This product is crafted from high-quality materials. It's designed to provide a luxurious experience, ensuring satisfaction with every use. This fragrance is perfect for romantic occasions. It's the ideal choice for creating a memorable and intimate atmosphere. The product is manufactured in France. You can be assured of its quality and authenticity, as it comes from the heart of fragrance creation. Please note that the packaging may differ from the image. However, the quality and essence of the product remain consistent. This item is not available for purchase in Catalina Island. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. What we like. This product is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring a luxurious experience. Its romantic essence makes it perfect for intimate moments. If you are looking for a timeless fragrance that embodies elegance and sophistication, you should consider this one. What people say. Chanel No. 5 is a timeless and iconic fragrance. The scent is a beautiful blend of floral and powdery notes. It has a sophisticated and elegant aroma. Number 4. Chanel No. 5 Eau de Toilette Spray, 50 ml. Introducing the iconic Chanel No. 5. This Eau de Toilette Spray is a timeless fragrance, perfect for any occasion. It embodies elegance and sophistication. This bottle contains 50 milliliters, or 1.7 ounces, of the exquisite scent. It's the perfect size to keep with you or give as a gift. This fragrance is designed specifically for women. Its delicate aroma will leave you feeling confident and refreshed throughout the day. Experience the aroma of elegance with every spritz. The fragrance is a classic, known for its luxurious and captivating scent. Looking for a special gift? This perfume makes a wonderful present for someone you care about. It's a thoughtful gesture that will be cherished. What we like. This fragrance exudes an aroma of pure elegance, making it a sophisticated choice. It is designed to be a great gift for someone special. If you are looking for a thoughtful present that speaks volumes of your appreciation, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Signature perfume. Have used it for 60 years. Good quality item. It made an ideal present. Number 3. Chanel No. 5 Eau de Toilette Spray, 3.4 ounce. This is a high-quality product, perfect for those special moments. It's designed to enhance your romantic experiences, making them even more memorable. The product is made with high-quality materials. It ensures a lasting impression and a touch of luxury. This fragrance is specifically recommended for romantic occasions. Wear it and let it set the mood. It's from Chanel, a brand synonymous with elegance and sophistication. Experience the timeless allure of this iconic fragrance. The size is 3.4 ounce, perfect for daily use or travel. It is a must-have item for you. What we like. This product is made with high-quality materials, ensuring a luxurious experience. It is recommended for romantic wear. If you like a classic and refined scent that evokes feelings of romance, you should consider it. What people say. The smell has a light but long-lasting scent. It is the only perfume I have used for years. Tutto secondo aspettative, articolo arrivato anche con anticipo rispetto alla previsione e qualità tradizionalmente ok. Number 2. Chanel No. 5 Eau Premier Spray 35 ml. Introducing Chanel No. 5 Eau Premier. This fragrance is a modern take on a classic. It's a light and airy scent, perfect for everyday wear. The perfume comes in the iconic bottle with minimalist lines. Its design is instantly recognizable and a symbol of elegance. The bottle itself is a work of art. This is a floral fragrance with a light and airy feel. It's a reinterpretation of the original No. 5, making it fresh and modern. You will love it. This is a timeless perfume, perfect for any occasion. It's a scent that will stay with you throughout the day. It is a must-have. The product is a 35 ml spray bottle. It's the perfect size to carry with you. It is convenient and easy to use. What we like. This perfume is presented in an iconic bottle with minimalist lines. It offers a floral, light, and airy reinterpretation of the classic scent. If you enjoy a modern take on a timeless fragrance with a lighter touch, this is the one for you. What people say. A woman's favorite still. Nuit Brune Perfume de Qualité. Chanel NR 5 ist ein klassischer Duft. Halt was es verspricht. Number 1. Chanel No. 5 for Women 1.7 ounce EDP Spray. Introducing Chanel No. 5, a fragrance that embodies timeless sophistication. This iconic scent is perfect for those special evenings. It's a classic choice for anyone who appreciates refined elegance. This is the genuine Chanel No. 5. You can be assured of its authenticity and quality. It's a fragrance crafted with the finest ingredients, offering a truly luxurious experience. Chanel No. 5 is known for its refined and gentle floral notes. It's a fragrance that leaves a lasting impression. It's designed to enhance your evening, adding a touch of glamour. This fragrance is ideally suited for evening wear. Its captivating aroma is perfect for special occasions. Wear it and experience the allure of Chanel No. 5. The fragrance belongs to the floral family, offering a gentle and captivating scent. It's a blend that exudes femininity and grace. The scent is both delicate and memorable. What we like. This fragrance is guaranteed to be 100% original, ensuring authenticity and quality. It is a refined fragrance, perfect for evening use. If you are looking for a sophisticated scent that is ideal for special occasions and evening events, you should choose this. What people say. I love the scent of Chanel 5. It's not overpowering. It lasts a long time and I'd buy this product again. Moss smells good and lasts long time. Dieses Parfum verwendet meine Frau schon 54 Jahre. Es war auch ein Hochzeitsgeschenk. Es wird nicht langweilig. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.